Hello, my dear 8th class students. Welcome back in the online learning class of computer. This is your computer ma'am, Priyanka Rai. Let's start today video. But before it, you know very well that you have to like the video and make sure that you all are the subscriber of my channel. Student, please visiting the school website on the regular basis because of the new videos are uploading as well as new notifications are also there. So go through it properly. I come to know that many of you are having the hard copy of your book and notebooks. Very good. Now you can do your work easily. But those who are not having, keep watching the school website for the chapter PDF. You can download it from there. Okay. So let's start today topic. But student, as you all know that the assignments we have given that you have to complete in your notebook. If you are having notebook you have purchased, you can complete it now. Stationery shops are opening, so you can go there, you can purchase. If you are having old notebook, so that also you can use. Okay, but those who you the work you did in the pages, no need to rewrite the work. Okay, no need to do it again. You just paste the pages and then continue with the new work. Okay, book exercise you can complete only in book, but read the chapter properly. So this you know very well. You have to like the video and subscribe the channel. Now we will do the recap of the chapter, tables in Access. Okay. So first point, data type of a field determine the kind of value or data it can store. Data type, you know why we use? Kind of value, like the value can be text, value can be number, date and time. Which type of value we are going to use in a particular cell, that can be decided by data type. Hiding a column means that you can make a field invisible temporarily. Like you don't want to show a field for a particular time, okay, or for temporarily, so you can hide that field. Freeze a column means to make it the leftmost column of the data sheet. Like you want that one field always display. Like you have made near about, you have entered 10 to 15 fields. So obviously if you will go to the rightmost, the leftmost field will hide. But if you will freeze a field, so that field will always display. Maybe you reach to the end to the left or right, okay, but this field will always display. So you can freeze a field and it will come on the leftmost column. It will become your leftmost column. The two parts of design view are the top pane called field grid pane and bottom pane called field properties pane. This question you have asked also through comment box. So student, design view have two parts. Remember, field grid pane and field properties pane. In grid pane you write like field name, data types, all these things, and in properties pane you set the properties of field, that how many character is the limit is there, okay, like these properties. Field grid pane contains field name, data type and description column. And field properties window is used to set the different properties of the selected field. Primary key can never be null or contain duplicate value. Null means you can't make it empty. Okay, you have to write something in that and it should be in proper order. So primary key cannot be empty, cannot be null, and it can or contain duplicate value. You should never write the duplicate value in it. It will never accept the duplicate value. So this is the recapitulation of the chapter which we did. Now we will go through the book exercise. Today we will do MCQs, multiple choice question and true false. Okay. So let's continue. Exercise, you can see first question, dash is used to add a new table to our database. But a new table we can add by both types. Okay, you can use design view also and data sheet also, both of these correct. Second, the dash of a field determine the kind of value or data it can store. Obviously data type determine the kind of value. Third one, the text has a maximum limit of dash character. 255 characters are the maximum limit. Okay. 4 number, a primary key can have dash value. Which type of value? Unique, which we can't duplicate. Okay, unique value primary key always contain. The dash contain the field, sector, field name, data type and description column. Which? Field grid pane. Okay, C part is correct. Again you can see first one C part, second one B part, third one A part, fourth B part, fifth C part. Okay, now we will come to true false. In primary key field you can enter duplicate value. No, we can't enter duplicate value. It can't null and it never contain duplicate value. So it will false. Data type of field determine the kind of value or data it can store. True. That's why we use the data type. There are two parts of design view. Yes, now only we have done. Okay. Field grid pane and field properties pane. Now data sheet allow you to modify the table structure easily. No beta. Design view allow you to modify the table structure easily. In data sheet view you can add, delete, rename, these type of things. Modification is easy in the data sheet view and structure can be modified easily in design view. Okay, so this one is false. Number 5, primary key button is present on design tab. Yes, primary key button present on design tab. It is true. Number 6, field grid pane is used to set the different properties of the selected field. False. Field grid pane we never use for the properties. Okay, we use field properties pane for the properties. Okay, so this one is false. I hope you understand MCQs and true false, so make sure that you all complete it. Okay, so student, in next video I will continue with another topic. Till then, take care. Goodbye.